What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I will be doing a meal prep video. This will be our meal prep for the week coming up, and you will only see the dinner meal prep. I have actually already prepped our lunch for the week. So yeah, stay tuned. Make sure you like this video, give us a big thumbs up, comment down below any video ideas you have, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. Here I'm just showing you guys what I will be using. So we have some white quinoa, long grain brown rice. We have sweet potatoes, asparagus, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, ground turkey, shrimp, and chicken breasts. So I've already washed off the vegetables and the meats. So I'm just going to start by cutting off the ends of the asparagus. Now I'm going to get a few sweet potatoes out. I don't want to use too many, so I'm just going to get 3. I just washed those off, and then I'm going to go ahead and get these cut up. Now that I have the sweet potatoes diced, I'm going to go ahead and prepare them to be put in the oven. And I will be actually roasting all of my veggies, so all of the veggies will be cooked in the oven. Before that, I'm going to go ahead and put the quinoa and the rice on. As you can see in the back, you see I do have both already cooking. What I'm doing, I have my pan, I just lined it with some aluminum foil. That's totally up to you, you don't have to, I just choose to. And I'm just bringing my veggies over. What I will be doing, I will be putting the asparagus and the broccoli in the same pan, and then I'm gonna get another pan and put the sweet potatoes and the Brussels sprouts. So here I'm just taking a little olive oil and pouring it on the asparagus. You don't have to use a lot, just a little to get them evenly coated. And once that's done, the seasonings that I will be using for the asparagus is black pepper, this is garlic powder, then I'm using onion powder, accent, and now I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing for the broccoli. Now the only difference with the broccoli, I like to put red pepper flakes on there just to give it a little spice. I have the oven set at 400. I'm going to go ahead and put these in the oven. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for the sweet potatoes and the Brussels sprouts. Now one thing that I do like to put on my Brussels sprouts is Worcestershire sauce. I just like the way it tastes on the Brussels sprouts. And then as far as the seasonings, everything will be the same as the asparagus. Now, as far as the sweet potatoes, I don't like to season the sweet potatoes because I love the way they taste just without any seasoning. So the only thing that I do put on the sweet potatoes is paprika. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these added to the oven. And here's how they look after cooking for about 25 to 30 minutes. My rice is done and also the quinoa is done. Now I just have to go ahead and get my meats cooked. And now I'm gonna go ahead and cook the ground turkey. I will be doing a spicy ground turkey, and you'll see Jaquan season it. He decided to help me on this. And I'll put down in the description box below the measurements for the seasonings. So I have my pan already set to medium high, and I'm going to go ahead and add the ground turkey to the pan. The first thing that we will be adding is black pepper. The next thing that we're gonna add is chili powder. Whoops, as you can see, he spilled it. But yeah, go ahead and add some chili powder. The next thing we're gonna add is red pepper flakes. Next is cayenne pepper, and Bay is just not having any luck with the seasonings today. He's spilling everything. It's okay, boo. After that, we're gonna put some onion powder in there. And then garlic powder. Last thing is lemon pepper. Now you want to cook it until all the meat is brown. I would say I cooked it for about 6 to 7 minutes. It doesn't take long at all. The next thing I'm going to go ahead and get cooked are the shrimp. And I'm actually going to be putting the shrimp in the oven. So the first thing, you want to go ahead and add a little bit of the olive oil. I will be seasoning it with black pepper, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and lemon pepper. And you want to mix all that together. Make sure the seasoning is on all of the shrimp and evenly coated. I'm just making sure the shrimp are in an even layer. The last thing I have here is some butter, and it's 2 tablespoons of butter that I melted and I just poured on there. And I still have the oven on 400, and I'm going to go ahead and put those in the oven. Last but not least, I'm going to cook the chicken breast. I have my pan set on medium. I'm just adding some olive oil, and as that heats up, I'm going to go ahead and start seasoning. So first, I'm going to use accent. Next thing is onion powder. Then garlic powder. Cayenne pepper. Paprika. And the last thing is black pepper. Once you've seasoned one side of the chicken breast, go ahead and add it to the pan, and then you'll just repeat the same step and season the other side. After letting the chicken cook for about 3 minutes on one side, you want to go ahead and flip the chicken over and then let it cook another 3 minutes on the other side. Once that's done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish the chicken breast off in the oven. And so my shrimp are done. The shrimp doesn't take long at all, about 7 or 8 minutes. It really doesn't take long, just until the shrimp are pink and they smell so good, you guys. Now after about 15 to 20 minutes, making sure the chicken is well done, it's time to take the chicken out, and here's how it looks. And after letting the chicken cool for about 5 to 6 minutes, now I'm just gonna slice the chicken breast. Now that that's done, it's time to go ahead and put our food in the containers. Y'all, these containers are the truth. I love them. Jaquan got them off of Amazon, and they come in a 20-pack, I believe, for a good price, and they do come with the lids. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and put the link down in the description box below, just in case you want to check these out. This is how it looks after I put all the food in the containers. And I'm telling y'all, meal prepping is so easy. I know a lot of people think like you spend hours in the kitchen on a Sunday or whatever day you choose to meal prep, but it's really worth it. Like, just think about it. You don't have to cook during the week. So it's very helpful. And I feel like if you're trying to eat healthy, meal prepping is the way to go.
So deep in my feelings, notice they really like me. Can't control my anxiety. Feeling like I'm touching the ceiling. When I'm with you, I can't breathe. Boy, you do something to me.